Today, we have a simple yet most debated math problem that manages to trick a surprising number of people. Here is the question. Which option is correct? We have 5 minus 5 times 5 minus 5. Our options are A, which is 0, B, which is negative 25, or C, which is 5. Take a moment to figure it out. There is absolutely no rush here, so feel free to pause the video if you need to. Alright, let's look at how many people naturally try to solve this. It is very tempting to handle the 5 minus 5 on both sides first. If we do that, we are left with 0 times 0, which simply gives us a clean 0. That matches option A. But hold on a second. If you got 0 as your answer, you fell into a very common trap. To get the right answer, we need to use a rule called the order of operations. You might remember the old acronym PEMDAS. This stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This is our mathematical checklist to ensure we solve the problem in the exact right order. Take this example, 1 plus 6 divided by 2. According to PEMDAS, division comes before addition, so we don't go left to right. We first do division. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then we do 1 plus 3, which gives 4. Let's apply PEMDAS to our original problem. We see both subtraction and multiplication. If we check our PEMDAS checklist, multiplication comes before subtraction. That means we must do the 5 times 5 first. 5 times 5 is 25. Now we handle subtraction. 5 minus 25, it gives us negative 20. Now for the last part, negative 20 minus 5, which is simply negative 25. And there we have it. The correct answer is option B. How did you do? If you got this right, wonderful work. You certainly know your order of operations. If you didn't quite get it this time, please don't worry. Math is like a muscle. Sometimes it just needs a gentle refresher to stay sharp. If this video helped you out, or if you simply enjoy exercising your mind, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to Math Station. Thank you for tuning in, and have a truly great day.